Hello and welcome to the SatonmyButt channel for the review of the Rugged Nature Lemongrass Beard Balm. Now Rugged Nature sent me a beard care kit that you can see here that contained a sandalwood beard oil, the lemongrass balm, the oil is 50ml, this is a 50g, a wooden comb and a little pair of trimming scissors, and this will cost you £15 from Amazon. So wow, what a price first of all. But then I thought, this is going to be appalling. This can't be any good for £15 for this. Look, what we've got here is a beard balm that is made from apricot kernel oil, beeswax and shea butter with lemongrass to scent, and it's kind of medium to firm in the screw top tin. And look, it's done not a bad job of keeping this old beard a bit tidy. You know, it feels okay. It does kind of what you would expect a balm to do. It's by far not the worst, but it is not anywhere near some of the beard balms that I have tried in quality. It's just not up there. Look, like I said with the beard oil, this is an okay beard balm, and certainly if you're on a budget, £15 for the oil, the balm, wooden comb and scissors, for me, I think that's a bit of a no-brainer. To buy the balm on its own, the 50g tin will cost you £6.99 from Amazon. I'll put the links for the balm and the kit in the description on YouTube. If you go down the high street, if you're on a budget, normally head to the high street and pick up one of the cheap brands. And look, I'm not a big fan of them. Many of them contain ingredients that you shouldn't be putting near your beard. You know, these kind of preservative type things, just ingredients with names that you really need an ology to pronounce, don't you? So what I'm going to say is, if you're on a budget, no, it's not the best beard balm, beard oil, beard kit in the world, but you're going to be happy. You are. It's going to do what you need it to do, and that's what's important really, isn't it? I give them the balm a 75 out of 100. Go and check them out. If you've got Prime also on Amazon, don't forget that you get free next day delivery. In fact, I think this beard care kit and this was free same day delivery if you order it early enough. So look, all in all, it's going to help a lot of people who are on a budget, and that is highly important. You know, some of these other beard care products that I review can be very pricey, and you know, we don't all have the sort of budget that will allow us to buy those sort of things. So I applaud brands like this that produce a nice little product at a really decent price. So there you go, that is the review of Rugged Nature over and done. Please subscribe to the channel. I need more subscribers. We're slowly creeping up. I really do appreciate that. I need more. We want more, don't we? There you go. Don't forget to like the video as well. I'll see you next time. Take care.